Another interesting point to mention about the expert settings is that in case you do not find your desired metric or scorer, you can add it yourself by using the Add Custom Recipes option from the Recipes tab or from the Expert Settings window directly. Let's click on the top left button called Add Custom Recipes from this window. Here, you can upload Python code from your own PC, an URL, from a bucket, or you can even write your own code in the driverless console by clicking on the With Editor button. We are going to upload a custom scorer recipe using the URL from our H2O GitHub repository. Next to the Add Custom Recipes on the right side, there is a button called Official Recipes. Let's click on it. A new page will appear, which brings us to the H2OAI/Driverless AI-recipes repository. Let's select the scorers folder, then classification, and then the binary folder. Since we are dealing with a binary classification problem, we are searching for a scorer that fits this type. Here we have a couple of scorers that we can use in addition to the existing ones from the Driverless AI platform. Let's click on the first link and go with the avgmcc.py scorer. Then please click on the raw button on top of the code on the right-hand side of the screen. This will give us the raw version of the Python code used to create the scorer. All you need to do is to copy-paste this URL back in the driverless window of the expert settings. Let's now head back to the Driverless AI platform and click on the Add Custom Recipes. Then please click on the From URL button. A new pop-up window appears and you can paste the copied URL in the Load Custom Recipe field. Click Save and Driverless AI will indicate next that the new custom recipe is being uploaded and that the recipes list is being updated with a new scorer. To make sure that the scorer appears on the main page and that we can select it from the scorer knob, let's do one last thing. Click on the Validation sub-tab from the Expert Settings window, then click on the drop-down button called Select Values underneath the Include Specific Scorers title on the right side of the screen. Make sure to select the avgmcc scorer as well and click Done. Please click Save on the Expert Settings window to save the updates and go back to the main window. To check that our recipe has been taken into account for this particular experiment, let's click on the Scorer knob and take a look at the options. Now, our imported avgmcc scorer appears among the options and you can select this one if you choose. As for the moment, let's stick with the default AUC scorer. I'm going to click on the X button and close this window, and I think that we are pretty ready to launch the experiment now. Just before this, you might wonder, what is the difference between Launch Experiment and Create Leaderboard? Well, the Launch Experiment launches just one experiment, whereas the Create Leaderboard option runs multiple diverse experiments with different settings and brings them into the project section for review. So, buckle up and let's hit the launch button and create our first baseline experiment.